I'm Libby from the North Valleys Library. Welcome to another Crafternoon. Today we're going to be learning how to turn an old t-shirt into a useful tote. Good for the grocery store, farmer's market, and bonus, it's washable too. All we'll need is an old shirt of your choosing. I kind of like the ones with the fun pattern, and a nice pair of scissors. First, we'll cut the sleeves off of the t-shirt. These are going to be the handles. Next, we'll cut the neckline of the shirt. This is going to be the opening of the bag. Next, we're going to turn the shirt inside out. And now we can determine how deep we want the bag to be. And remember, the shirt might stretch out a little bit when you add items to it. A little bigger. All right, you can mark the line with a marker if it's easier, a washable marker. And once you have your line, we'll start to cut strips through both sides of the t-shirt. All right. Now, once we have the fringe all cut, we can begin tying. Once we get to, we have tied 3 fringes. There will be gaps in between these holes. So to tighten that up, we're going to take the middle fringe that we tied. We're going to tie 1 fringe to the first knot we did, and we'll tie the second knot to the third knot we did. There. And that will close up any holes you have in the bag. All right, and then we'll just continue on until we're all done tying. Now that we have all the fringe tied, at this point you can trim the edges. All right, and we're ready to turn it inside out. And we have our cute little reusable tote. And thank you so much for joining us today for this Crafternoon. If you liked this craft, don't forget to visit the Washoe County Library website and our Facebook for more fun project ideas and STEAM activities. See you next time.